Today we will install a clear HD Hydrogel screen protector on a Samsung Galaxy A9 Plus. First step is to remove any old screen protection. Step 1. Clean your screen thoroughly from dust and fingerprints using the wet wipe, then dry it completely with a dry cleaning cloth. Step 2. Use the dust removal sticker to pick up any tiny dust particles. Step 3. Peel off the hydrogel film from the base sheet and carefully align it with your device screen, noting any sensor or camera cutouts. Step 5. Time to remove the installation panels. There are two halves. You can use the install card to help you lift the corner up. Note the installation line cut in two halves. Step 6. Remove install panel 1 by lifting it up all the way till it comes out from underneath. As it slides out across the screen, it removes any new or remaining dust specks as well. Step 7. Now the second install panel, repeat the previous procedure. Step 8. Push out any remaining air bubbles using the install card. Push the air bubbles slowly and gently towards the nearest edge. Last step. Grab the dust removal sticker again, place it in any corner of the screen protector, and use it to peel back the last top protective layer of the screen protector. Any remaining small bubbles and marks will disappear with use in the following 24-72 hours. Enjoy!